Hey guys, Amos here. Today I'm showing you how to get a free virtual card, even if you don't have a bank card. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, guys, the video you just watched now was generated using AI VEO 3. And in this particular video, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to get a free virtual card to get my 1 month free plan on my VEO 3 account. Actually, you can use VEO 3 for free. You've been seeing those videos on YouTube, how to get or have a VO3 account for free. Yes, it is real. This is the way you have to do it. You get your virtual card and then you get a free plan for 1 month. That is it. With that, you can use it for 1 month without paying any money. So for you to use your own personal card, you might be afraid of doing that. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a free virtual card. Although you're gonna be spending money, but the money you're spending, you are getting it back. Okay, just stick with me. Now let's move in. So this is the app. It's called Eversend. So this Eversend is what you can use to send money from Africa to anywhere else, whether you're in Nigeria, United States, UK, Ghana, Zambia, Germany, anywhere in the world. So now this is the app you need to have. Download it. Check the link in the description box, or you also check the comment section box. Check the link in the description box. Use it to sign up. Then after you sign up, then you get into this place that says cards. Check in. You will see the place that says cards. After the place that says balance, click on the place that says cards and then click on bank. Okay, then request virtual bank account. Okay, so you are requesting a virtual bank account. Okay, you have to enter your 11 digits BVN. You can enter it. It's very safe and trusted. Okay, so I just entered my BVN so that they can generate a bank where I can pay money into. The bank is just like creating a bank for me. Okay, so once you are done, then they will now generate a bank account for you. It's your own personal bank account, which you can also send in money, and then it will appear in your Eversend account. You can see they have finally generated a Columbus bank account for me. You can see, so I can copy it. You can see it bears my name, and then that's my account number, the routing number, and then bank name, Columbus Bank. So now I will now copy out my account number and then straight to my bank app, and then make a transfer of the money we want to. I'll be imputing 3,500 naira here so that it won't have any issue. Okay, you can see this is the card. I've already going to paid for it. So going to get the money. I mean to say, you're already going to pay for it now after I've paid the 3,500 into this account. So let's wait. So that money you've already paid into it. I've already paid the 3,500. Okay, so you just need to copy the bank account, as you can see. Then this is it. I'm imputing the you can see I'm imputing the bank account, and then I'm going to impute the amount, which is 3,500, and then I will make a transfer of 3,500 into the account. Then I'm putting my pin, and then successfully it has transferred the 3,500 into my Eversend account successfully without wasting much time. So you can see this is the 3,500. Although it appears yeah, okay, I transferred the 3,000 something. There something happened, but transfer 3,500, so you won't have any problem. So now we now have $2 plus. So I'm going to be using $1, as you can see in the screen. Just follow the screen process to purchase the card. After you've gotten it, you convert it to USD. Then once you convert it to USD, you can now go over there and then purchase your card. Then it is loading. Let's wait while it is loading. You can see, so it says you have created a new virtual card. So I have successfully created a new virtual card. So guys, this is the very easy way to create a new virtual card. Okay, while recording this video, I transfer out $1. That is why you are seeing $1 in the card. Okay, So in your own case, you can also withdraw by clicking on withdraw, and then withdraw your $1 and leave $1 there. Make sure you are funding up to $2 so that when the $2 appears there, you withdraw $1 by clicking on withdraw, and then it will withdraw to your Eversend account. Then from there, you withdraw to your straight to your bank account. So that's gonna be the end of this tutorial. If you got value, just don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, YouTube will notify you that a more also online technique I posted the video. So make sure to follow the process. If you don't understand, please also drop a comment section, so I will also show you the way to do that. If you watch to the very end, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.